Hi, it's Deanna Morgan with the Morgan Group over at Mid-America Mortgage. Wanted to share with you some quick tips on how to get your offer accepted when you are purchasing a home. So first and foremost, want to make sure that you're pre-approved, not just pre-qualified. Difference being when you're pre-approved, you've sent in all of your documentation, we have verified everything. But when you're just pre-qualified, we've only taken an application and pulled credit, so we haven't verified that information. Sellers definitely know the difference, and it's a much stronger offer when you have that pre-approval letter. Also, we offer a guarantee to the seller as well once we've done a full pre-approval on you, so makes it a little bit more enticing for that seller to accept the offer. And then second thing is we can actually call the listing agent for you, let them know exactly how strong the offer is and how far we are along in the process. We'll help let them know that we're a local lender and that we've verified all your information and that you're a good, strong buyer and you're ready to go. And then the third thing, which I think is really cool and probably is the most helpful, is the fact that you can write a good heartfelt letter over to the seller. Let them know how special the house is, how perfect it is for you and the family, and why it's important for you to buy their house. A lot of times that's just the little edge that you need in order to be able to get your offer accepted. So we look forward to hearing from you. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions or if you would like to get pre-approved. Give us a call at 972-755-4876. Thanks so much. We look forward to working with you. Bye-bye.